and we've had some excitement here today.
Well, tell me a little bit about what you saw and heard.
Well, I came home for lunch, and I kept smelling this heavy, heavy smell of smoke, and then it would like shift. You couldn't see the barn at one time, and then it would be clear. And I said to my husband, what the heck's going on? You think there's a fire out in the woods? And he said, well, why don't you take a walk down the power lines and check it out? I said, nah, I don't think I'll walk that far. So then all of a sudden, fireman showed up, and he said, you realize there's a fire in the woods behind your house. I said, oh, no. So he went out, changed his clothes, and came back. And as soon as he came back, he said, you see flames, call 911. And then he must have seen them before I did, and all the trucks showed up. And it's been exciting.
What did you think? I mean, how high did the flames get, could you tell?
Oh, higher than I am 5'6", so they were getting there, and they were really starting to roar, and it got so hot. The heat was very intense.
And how did you feel about it? You nervous or?
Yes, especially when it got so close to the barn, and we started moving all of our, we have like lawnmowers and rototillers and bikes. Started grabbing them, pulling them out of the barn, and the fireman said, get out of there. So I knew it was pretty serious when he said to get moving. So he said, get down that far into the field. You don't want to inhale that smoke. So we moved out of the way, and they did their job. They did a great job.